Hi friends, I already uploaded more than 500 videos in my YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please press the subscription button and then press the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I upload any video. Thank you. Karnataka SSLC Science 2020 Key answers to all the questions. Question number 1. The inner surface of solar cooker is coated with black paint to dash. Answer A. Absorb more heat. Question number 2. As the pH value of a neutral solution increases dash. Answer C. Basic property increases and number of OH minus ions increases. Question number 3. In the given figure of cotyledon, the parts labeled as A and B respectively are dash. Answer. Primary shoot, primary root. Question number 4. An object is kept at the center of curvature of a concave mirror. The position and nature of the image formed is dash. Answer D. At the center of curvature and inverted. Question number 5. The power plant in which natural source of energy is directly used to rotate turbine is dash. Answer B. Hydroelectric power plant. Question number 6. An example for saturated hydrocarbon is dash. Answer A. C2H6. Question number 7. The incorrect statement related to thyroxine hormone among the following is dash. Answer. It is secreted by parathyroid gland. Question number 8. The molecular formula of 3 carbon compounds which are in homologous series are C2H6, C3H8, C4H10. The suitable general formula for the 3 compounds is dash. Answer D. CnH2n plus 2. Question number 9. An iron ring is to be coated with copper. How can we do this without using electricity? Answer. Iron can be coated with copper by displacement reaction. Dip the iron ring in copper sulfate solution. Copper will get displaced and get deposited on the iron ring. Question number 10. What is the SI unit of potential difference? Name the device used to measure potential difference. Answer. The SI unit of potential difference is volt, V. The device used to measure the potential difference is voltmeter. Question number 11. The rate of breathing in aquatic organisms is much faster than that seen in terrestrial organisms. Why? Answer. Aquatic organisms have to breathe more often as the amount of dissolved oxygen in water is low as compared to that in air. Hence, their rate of breathing is higher than that of terrestrial organisms. Question number 12. Sodium and potassium are placed in the same group of the modern periodic table. If the molecular formula of sodium sulfate is Na2SO4, then decide the molecular formula of potassium sulfate. Give reason for your answer. Answer. The molecular formula of potassium sulfate is K2SO4. Since sodium and potassium are placed in the same group, the valency of potassium is also 1, like that of sodium. Elements placed in the same group have the same valency. Question number 13. Biogas plant is a boon to farmers. Why? Answer. Biogas plant is a boon to farmers due to the following reasons. Biogas is an excellent fuel as it contains 75% methane. Slurry left behind can be used as manure rich in nitrogen and phosphorus to increase fertility of soil. Question number 14. The gene for brown colored hair is recessive over gene for black colored hair. What is the hair color of a person who has inherited a gene for brown colored hair from mother and black colored hair from father? Answer. The color of hair will be black since brown color is recessive over black color. Question number 15. CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. In this reaction, name the reactant that is oxidized, that is reduced. Answer. H2 is oxidized, addition of oxygen. CuO is reduced, removal of oxygen. Question number 16. Observe the following figure. What type of current is induced in the coil by doing the experiment related to this figure? Give reason for your answer. Answer. This is an experiment related to electromagnetic induction. Motion of the magnet with respect to the coil produces an induced potential difference which sets up an induced electric current in the circuit. Question number 17. Agricultural scientists have suggested to add a certain amount of lime powder to an agricultural field. What may be the reason for this? Explain. Answer. Lime powder is calcium hydroxide. This is basic. Hence, adding lime powder to the field makes the soil alkaline, reducing the acidity of the soil. Question number 18. The body temperature of frogs and lizards depend on the temperature of the environment. Justify. Answer. Frogs and lizards are cold-blooded animals and hence their body temperature depends on the temperature of the environment. Also, they have a three-chambered heart due to which there is mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Question number 19. Draw the diagram of the apparatus to show that acid solution in water conducts electricity. Label the following parts. Dilute hydrochloric acid, rubber cork. Question number 19. Draw the diagram of arrangement of the apparatus to show the reaction of zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid and testing hydrogen gas by burning. Label the following parts. Test tube, soap solution. Question number 20. The resistivity of manganese wire of length 1 meter is 1.84 into 10 raised to minus 6 ohm meter at 20 degrees centigrade. If the diameter of the wire is 3 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter, what will be the resistance of the wire at that temperature? Answer. Data. Resistivity rho is equal to 1.84 into 10 raised to minus 6 ohm meter. Length of the wire L is equal to 1 meter. Diameter of the wire D is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. Resistance is given by the formula R is equal to rho into L by A. Substituting the values, we get R is equal to 26.04 ohms. Question number 20. Observe the given circuit. Calculate the total resistance in the circuit and the total current flowing in the circuit. Answer. Since the three resistances are connected in parallel, we have 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Substitute the values of the resistances 2, 4 and 4 and we get R is equal to 1 ohms. For R total is equal to R plus R4. Adding we get 6 ohms. Now potential difference is equal to IR. Substituting the values of V and R, we get I is equal to 1 amps. Question number 21. As energy moves progressively through various trophic levels of food chain, it is no longer available to the previous levels. Give reasons. Answer. Flow of energy is unidirectional. The energy that is captured by the autotrope does not revert back to the solar input, and the energy which passes to the herbivorous does not come back to the autotrophs. As it moves progressively through the various trophic levels, it is no longer available to the previous level. Question number 22. Which physical property of metals are used in the following situations? Number 1. Gold is used to make ornaments. Number 2. Nickel is used in strings of guitar. Answer. Gold is malleable and ductile, and hence it is used to make ornaments. Nickel is sonorous, and hence it is used to make strings of guitar. Question number 23. Draw the diagram showing the germination of pollen on stigma and label the pollen tube. Question number 24. Draw the diagram of a simple electric generator. Label the following parts: brushes, rings. Question number 25. State Joule's law of heating. Explain the working of electric filament bulb. Answer. Joule's law of heating. H is equal to I square RT. The law implies that heat produced in a resistance is directly proportional to number 1. Square of the current for a given resistance. Number 2. Resistance for a given current. Number 3. Time for which the current flows. Working of an electric filament bulb. Electric heating is used to produce light. Filament must retain maximum heat. It gets very hot and emits light. A strong metal with high melting point such as tungsten is used as filament. The bulb is filled with chemically inactive nitrogen and argon gases. Most of the power consumed appears as heat. Small part of the power is in the form of light. Question number 25. State Ohm's law. How ammeter and voltmeter should be connected in electric circuit? What is the use of these instruments in the circuit? Answer. Ohm's law. The potential difference V across the ends of a given metallic wire in an electric circuit is directly proportional to the current flowing through it, provided its temperature remains same. V is equal to IR. Ammeter should be connected in series in a circuit. Voltmeter should be connected in parallel across the points between which the potential difference is to be measured. Ammeter measures the electric current in a circuit. Voltmeter measures the potential difference. Question number 26. The reaction of barium chloride with aluminum sulfate solution is an example of which type of chemical reaction? Why? Write the balanced chemical equation for this reaction. Answer. 3BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 thrice gives 3BaSO4 plus 2AlCl3. This is a double displacement reaction as there is an exchange of ions between the reactants. It is also a precipitation reaction since a precipitate barium sulfate is produced. Question number 27. Explain the significant function of each structure in the human male reproductive system. Answer. Male reproductive system consists of testes, produces sperms, gametes or germ cells, and hormone testosterone. Vas deferens delivers the sperms. Urethra, common passage for sperms and urine. Glands like prostate and seminal vesicles add their secretions to the sperms to make their transport easy and provide nutrition. Penis transfers sperms. Scrotum protects testes and maintains temperature. Question number 27. Explain the structure and important role of placenta during pregnancy period of women. Answer. Structure. This is a disc which is embedded in the uterine wall. It contains villi on the embryo side of the tissue. Function. The embryo gets nutrition from the mother's blood with the help of placenta. Villi present in the placenta provide large surface for glucose and oxygen to pass to the embryo. Waste products can go to mother's blood through the placenta. Question number 28. Explain the addition and substitution reaction with the help of examples. C2H6 undergoes substitution reaction but not addition reaction. Why? Answer. Addition reaction. Unsaturated hydrocarbons add hydrogen in the presence of catalysts such as palladium or nickel to give saturated hydrocarbons. Example. Hydrogenation of vegetable oils using nickel catalyst. Substitution reaction. Chlorine can replace hydrogen atoms of hydrocarbons one by one. It is called substitution reaction because one type of atom or a group of atoms take the place of another. Example. CH4 plus Cl2 gives CH3Cl plus HCl in the presence of sunlight. C2H6 undergoes substitution reaction but not addition reaction because it is a saturated hydrocarbon. Question number 28. Explain how soap cleans clothes. More amount of soap is required to clean the clothes in hard water. Why? Answer. Soaps are molecules in which the two ends have different properties. Hydrophilic end dissolves in water while the hydrophobic end dissolves in hydrocarbons. The hydrophobic tail of the soap will not be soluble in water. Soap will align with the ionic end in water and the tail protruding out of the water. Inside the water, these molecules form clusters called micelle. Soap micelle cleans the cloth as the oily dirt gets collected in the center. This dirt can be easily rinsed. More amount of soap is required to clean the clothes in hard water due to the formation of an insoluble substance called scum. Scum is caused by the reaction of soap with calcium and magnesium salts present in hard water. Question number 19. Building crescent-shaped earthen embankment in level terrain is better than construction of large dams across the river to store water. Analyze this statement with their effects. Answer. Construction of large dams can cause many problems like number 1. Social problems. They displace large number of peasants and tribals without adequate compensation or rehabilitation. Number 2. Economic problems. They swallow up huge amounts of public money without the generation of proportional benefits. Number 3. Environmental problems. They contribute enormously to deforestation and the loss of biological diversity. Benefits of earthen embankments. They are highly locale specific and the benefits are also localized. People get control over their local water resources. This ensures mismanagement and overexploitation of these resources is reduced or removed. Question number 30. An object is placed on the principal axis of a concave mirror of focal length 12 cm. If the object is at a distance of 18 cm from the mirror, calculate the image distance. Determine the nature of the image formed by calculating the magnification produced by the mirror. Answer. F is equal to minus 12 cm, U is equal to minus 18 cm, V is equal to question mark, M is equal to question mark. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Substitute the values and you get image distance V is equal to minus 36 cm. Magnification M is equal to minus V by U. That comes to minus 2. Therefore, negative value of M indicates that the image is real, inverted and 2 times enlarged. Question number 30. A doctor prescribes a corrective lens of power minus 0.5 d to a person. Find the focal length of the lens. Is this lens diverging or converging? Give reasons. How does the property of this lens be used to correct eye defects? Answer. P is equal to minus 0.5 d. P is equal to 1 upon F. Therefore, F is equal to minus 2 meter. Since the power of the lens is negative, it is a diverging or a concave lens. Now, concave lens can be used to correct an eye defect called myopia, that is nearsightedness. A concave lens of suitable power will bring back the image onto the retina and thus the defect is corrected. Question number 31. Draw the diagram showing the schematic sectional view of the human heart. Label the following parts: aorta, pulmonary veins. Question number 32. Draw a ray diagram when the object is kept between f1 and 2f1 of the convex lens. With the help of the diagram, mention the position and nature of the image formed. f1 principal focus of the lens. Answer. The image is formed beyond 2f2. It is enlarged, real and inverted. Question number 33. The atomic numbers of two elements are 8 and 16 respectively. Write the electronic configuration of these two elements. Do you keep these two elements in the same group of the modern periodic table? Justify your answer. Find out which of these two elements is more electronegative. Give reasons for your answer. Answer. Electronic configuration of element with atomic number 8, that is oxygen, is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 or 2, 6. Electronic configuration of element with atomic number 16 is, that is sulfur, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4 or 2, 8, 6. Both oxygen and sulfur can be kept in the same group, that is group 16, as they have same number of valence electrons or valency. Oxygen is more electronegative as electronegativity decreases down the group. Since sulfur has more electrons, it will appear below oxygen in the group. Question number 34. Name the given structure. What is its general function? Mention the function of the parts labeled as A and B. These structures in animals have said to be more efficient to give quick responses. Why? The given structure is that of reflex arc. General function. It is a path or route through which the nerve impulses travel from receptor organ to the effector organ. Part labeled as A is sensory neuron. Function of A is to bring impulses from receptors to the central nervous system. The part labeled as B is effector, that is muscle. Function of B, it carries impulses from the motor neuron to muscle to activate muscle contraction. These structures in animals are more efficient because the thinking process of the brain is not fast enough. Many animals have almost none of the complex neuron network. So it is quite likely that reflex arcs have evolved as efficient ways of functioning in the absence of true thought process. Question number 35. Mention the difference between calcination and roasting. How these processes are used in the extraction of zinc. Explain with the help of chemical equations. After these processes, is reduction necessary to obtain zinc? Why? Answer. Roasting. The sulfide ores are converted into oxides by heating strongly in the presence of excess air. Calcination. The carbonate ores are changed into oxides by heating strongly in limited air. Roasting. 2ZnS plus 3O2 gives 2ZnO plus 2SO2. Calcination. ZnCO3 gives ZnO plus CO2. The metal oxides are then reduced to corresponding metals by using suitable reducing agents such as carbon. When zinc oxide is heated with carbon, it is reduced to metallic zinc. ZnO plus C gives Zn plus CO. Question number 36. How do you trace the magnetic field lines around a bar magnet using compass needle? Explain Write the properties of magnetic field lines. Answer. Place the magnet on a sheet of white paper. Mark the boundary of the magnet. Place the compass near the north pole of the magnet. The south pole of the needle will point towards the north pole of the magnet. Mark the position of the two ends of the needle. Move the needle to a new position such that its south pole occupies the position previously occupied by the north pole. Proceed step by step till you reach the south pole of the magnet. Join the points with a smooth curve. This curve represents a field line. Repeat this process to get many field lines. Properties of magnetic field lines. Field lines emerge from north pole and merge at the south pole. Inside the magnet, the direction is from south pole to its north pole. Magnetic field lines are closed curves. No two field lines are found to cross each other. Question number 37. The plants bearing round yellow colored seeds are self-pollinated. Represent the result obtained in the F2 generation of dihybrid cross with the help of a checkerboard. Mention the varieties of plants obtained in F2 generation. Round yellow 9, round green 3, wrinkled yellow 3, wrinkled green 1. Question number 37. What is evolution? Explain 3 evidences for evolution. Answer. Evolution. It is defined as the gradual unfolding of organisms from pre-existing organisms through changes since the beginning of life. Evidences. Number 1. Homologous characteristics. Species may share similar physical features because the feature was present in a common ancestor. Number 2. Analogous characteristics. Species may have organs with same function but different structure. Number 3. Molecular biology. DNA and genetic code reflect the shared ancestry. Number 4. Fossils. Fossils document the existence of now extinct past species that are related to present day species. Question number 38. Explain the experiment conducted by Newton to show that white light contains 7 colors. Sun appears red in color during sunrise but appears white at noon. Explain with reasons. Answer. Isaac Newton was the first to use a glass prism to obtain the spectrum of sunlight. He tried to split the colors of spectrum of white light further by using another similar prism. However, he could not get any more colors. He then placed a second identical prism in an inverted position. This allowed all the colors to pass through. A beam of light emerged from the other side of the second prism. Newton got the idea that the sunlight is made up of 7 colors. Sun appears red. At noon, sun appears white as only a little of the blue and violet colors are scattered. Near the horizon, most of the blue light and shorter wavelengths are scattered away by the particles. Hence, the light that reaches us is of longer wavelengths. This gives the reddish appearance of the sun. The end. You understood how to solve the question paper. Now don't forget to click the like button and share the video with your friends. Thank you.